Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm coming at you guys with a lip swatch video. So I haven't done one of these in a while, so I figured let me just do one. And I got these gorgeous new lip shades from Revlon. It's the Revlon Kiss Cushion Lip Tints. There's 10 of them. I'm gonna swatch them for you guys, so stay tuned for that. So guys, before I get to the lip swatches, I just wanted to tell you guys about this new skincare brand that I came across. And it's called NXN Skincare. And I just thought they were a little different from everything else. So I had to tell you guys about them because it's a subscription service where every 30 days, they send you your monthly supply of skincare products. So you never run out. It's ideal. I've been using them for the past couple of days. So let me show you guys how I use these products and what I thought of them, and I'll give you some more information. So let's check that out, and then I'll come right back with the lip swatches. Hey guys, welcome to my bathroom, and I hope you guys can hear me because it's echoing in here, but I think it'll be okay. I want to tell you guys about NXN. NXN stands for Nurture by Nature. Because all the products I'm about to show you are all cruelty-free, non-toxic, so when you put them on your skin, you can feel good about yourself. Now, the cool thing about this system is that it auto ships. So when you run out, you don't have to worry because it'll be right at your doorstep, right there after 30 days. The whole new 30-day supply will be right there waiting for you. So you never run out, which is fabulous. Also, can I get a second to look at these gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous products? I'm a sucker for pretty packaging. So if I see a product and the packaging looks fabulous, I'm halfway to buying it. And it doesn't get any better than this, guys. This is just gorgeous. I will put all the information below the video, including the link if you want to try the system yourself. Now, I managed to get you guys a coupon code. Yes. So with my coupon code, all you pay for this system is $4.99, guys. $4.99. That covers your shipping. So you don't pay anything for the products. You get to try them for free. So, yeah, I'd say go for it. You know, I'm going to have my coupon code somewhere here on the screen. So watch for that and then use it with the link below the video. And let me show you guys now how I use the system. Okay guys, so I received 4 products as part of the Oily Combination Skin System from NXN. And I'm going to start by applying the Fresh Start Foaming Cleanser and working it into my moistened skin using a circular motion. Now keep in mind, if you have dry sensitive skin or acne prone skin, they have a separate system for that. So they've got you covered. I love how, you know, by signing up for the subscription, you never have to run out of your skincare products again. Because I do all the time, and then I start applying all kinds of bad stuff on my face, and it's just all bad. Anyways, I follow the foaming cleanser with my favorite product of the 4. It's the Power Detox Clear Complexion Mask. And you just apply a thin layer to your face and you can actually feel it working. You can feel it draw out all that oil and the impurities, and it's just a beautiful product. So I followed that up with the Balance Beam Oil Control Moisturizer, which is going to keep any oil at bay throughout the entire day. And it leaves this beautiful glow on your skin that's like, wow. Yes. And then after that, I turn to the Flash Matte Perfecting Primer. And this primer is so soft and beautiful. It's just the perfect base for your makeup. And so if you decide to sign up for this subscription, keep in mind you can cancel it at any time, and you can adjust it and customize it to your needs, your shipment frequency, your product assortment. You can customize it to whatever you need. So that was it. I hope you guys like my little demo. Okay guys, now For the lip swatches, we're gonna have to glam it up a little bit, so well guys, those were the gorgeous swatches. I hope you guys love this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys again next week. Bye!